What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Dominic here. Gosh, I haven't done this in a while. My goodness, forgot to take my glasses off. What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. We are here in our new setup. It's not complete yet, obviously, because we gotta have some panels on the wall and some stuff over here that you can't see out of your point of view. But in today's episode, we are going to be talking about the recent Tesla stock split. We're going to be talking about why it's important that you know about this and how it can benefit you, and also how you can profit off of it. So let's get into the video. So let me break down really quickly like what a share is for, those who might not know what a share is. Don't worry, it's not too hard. You'll get it. I promise. So Tesla is a publicly traded company, and if you want, you can buy shares in Tesla. Now, a share is a ownership of a company. It's not a lot of ownership, obviously, but it is ownership in the company. So let's say company A, random, just not a real company, but let's just, company A sells their shares for $100, and it fluctuates throughout the day and throughout the week, throughout the years. But let's say at this point in time, the share is worth $100. You can then buy one share for $100. Now, if the share goes to $110, you've made a profit. So now your money is worth, that one share that you bought at $100 is now worth $110. So you've now made $10 on that one share. Now, that's not a whole bunch of money, $10, whatever. But when you have multiple shares of a company, so let's say you have 10 shares of this $100 company. $100 times 10 shares goes up $10. How much do you have? You've got $100 in profit. Make sense? So why is this important to you? Well, to me, money buys freedom. And that's what I think we all want, We want to be able to do whatever we want, whenever we want, right? So let's go back to that example of company A. And I'll explain what a stock split is. Very simple, and I know you'll get this one too. So let's say company A is going to do a 2-for-1 stock split. That means the stock price of the company is going to split in half. So where the stock was $100, now it's $50. Not to worry, your one share of $100 is now 2 shares of $50. The same value, but at a lower price. But it is still the same value, right? 2 stocks at 50 versus 1 stock at 100. So when Tesla stock split, it was at $2,210 a share. Yes, to buy one share of Tesla, it was $2,210. That's an expensive share. But after it did a 5-for-1 split, so if you own one share, it is now worth 5 shares. Remember? The new share price is at $442. So where if I had one share at $2,210, I now have 5 shares at $442. Make sense? Now, Tesla is a very volatile stock. Volatile meaning goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down fairly quickly. On the day of the stock split, when I owned shares of Tesla, it went up $75. So let's do some simple math. So let's say I have 2 shares of Tesla at the $2,210 mark, okay? 2 shares. And it splits 5-for-1. I now have 10 shares of Tesla. And if Tesla goes up $75 with 10 shares, I've now made $750. Make sense? See why you should be investing in the stock market and training your mind to be an investor? Pretty simple. And, that was just me deciding that, well, that's a good investment. I'm going to invest in that. I'm going to put my money to work because we both know your money's not making anything in the bank, obviously. And just by using my mind and putting some of my money out there and investing in a company, it's now worth more. Now I have more money. I used the money I had to go get more money. Now that $750 profit is only profit. I don't get that money till I sell my shares back. Make sense? So although, yes, my 10 shares is worth X amount of dollars and it goes up $750, I can't touch that money. I can't touch that money till I sell those shares. See why it's so important to invest your money? For me, I use a couple different trading platforms. One of them I use is Robinhood. There's a link in the description if you like check that out. But for Robinhood, I have from my bank account deposited $25 into my Robinhood account every week. So every month I've got an extra $100 to invest with. And that doesn't feel like too much to me. $25 is, that's nothing. That's lunch maybe, right? But at the end of the year, that comes out to $1,200. $1,200? It's a good chunk of change, right? Not bad. But yeah, guys, I hope you learned a little bit about, what a stock is, stock split, the recent Tesla stock split, what it's been doing. You have a stock app on your phone. I would recommend you check it out and just kind of familiarize yourself with it a little bit more as you, plant that seed in the ground in your head, that, I'm gonna invest my money, I'm gonna put it to work, and I wanna grow wealthy and have money to retire and maybe even retire young, So I hope you guys are doing well. Feel free to hit the subscribe button for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.